Sumaya from the UK.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu.
So my question is, I don't know the ruling about acid refluxes. So I was praying and I've got like a wind burp coming out of my throat, and with it came saliva mixed with acid from my throat, and I didn't know what to do with it, so I just swallowed it because it didn't come from my stomach. That's what I thought. So was that right?
Even if it came from your stomach, that would have been fine again. There's no problem in reflux.